What do you want?
Please tell us all about the stories and the legends of Guam. Addie, fatty, laddie, laddie, goldie.
What do you want?
We want to know and learn the legends of our island in the sun.
Let us start with the legend of the pig and the hen. The pig gave a ring to his lazy chicken friend. Then he went far away, but said, I'll be back here again. The hen lost the ring, cause the pig stayed away. And when the piggy came back, she had to scratch every day. She keeps on scratching,
Scratch, scratch, scratch.
scratching the dirt.
You know why the bed plays at night? Yeah!
Once long ago, all the bats had good friends, until trouble came along and sent them back into their caves. The bats won't help the birds or the animals, they say, so they fly out at night and then they hide all through the day. And they keep hiding,
Hide, hide, hide.
all through the day. That's why the bat flies at night,
Fly, fly, fly.
all through the night. Sing the magic words for me.
Addie, fatty, laddie, laddie, goldie.
What do you want?
Please tell us all about the stories and the legends of Guam. Addie, fatty, laddie, laddie, goldie.
What do you want?
We want to know and learn the legends of our island in the sun. Oh, Tatamana, why does the iguana have a double tongue?
That's because she was a naughty iguana. Once long ago, a small iguana lived in the jungle of Guam. Although she sang like a bird, she was teased by everyone. So she asked a friend of hers if he would color her with paint. But when she tricked him with a brush, she ended up with a double tongue. And when she tried to sing again, she just went. There goes the double tongue.
Why is Guam there in the middle, Tatamana?
An old story tells why, and it goes like this. Once a giant fish swam in the ocean near Guam. Its teeth were like spears and they sparkled like the sun. The fish took big bites from a gang at a Pagu Bay, and with a net of magic hair they took the giant fish away. That's why it's narrow in the middle,
Scratch, scratch.
cause of the giant fish. Look at the map of Guam,
It's narrow, narrow, narrow.
cause of the giant fish.
Hey, Tatamana, sing the magic word with us.
Addie, fatty, laddie, laddie, goldie. What do you want?
Please tell us all about the stories and the legends of Guam.
Addie, fatty, laddie, laddie, goldie. What do you want?
We want to know and learn the legends of our island in the sun.
Addie, fatty, laddie, laddie, goldie. What do you want?
Please tell us all about the stories and the legends of Guam.
Addie, fatty, laddie, laddie, goldie. What do you want?
We want